Hello folks, today we are going to see one more question asked at Infosys. So welcome to Data Row Analytics and we will proceed for our question. So this question is asked at Infosys based on the calculate and calculate table task. So here interviewer given one DAX calculation and according to that what question he asked we are going to see. Let's proceed for it. Okay. So here you can see the question. Interviewer has given like products dim having the product color table. Okay. So for that question asked by interviewer is like, could you please give me same result by using the calculate table DAX for below DAX query, and DAX query provided by him like a total profit from red color product is equal to calculate. Inside the calculate, total profit is the measure he has used, and with the products dim table dimension table, his filtering product color column is equal to the red, means particular product he is looking having the red color. Okay, so this question asked, and he is asking like, instead of this calculate, could you please use the calculate table, means same result we are getting, right? This so, same result user want by using the calculate table itself. Okay, you can see. So we will see some theoretical knowledge about the calculate and calculate table. So you will have the clear idea what exactly these two DAX functions are behaving, and then we will move to the practical portion also. Okay, so you can see here I will give the difference between these two topics. So if you see, the output of the calculate is the scalar output, and output of the calculate table is the tabular output. This you have to remember, because if you don't know the output and how the function is behaving, then it will be problematic situation for you. You are not able to write the DAX. Okay, and you can see that calculate is used with measures and calculation. Okay, and it is used for virtual table. Okay, so the things and important thing is like, calculate returns the single value or scalar output, and calculate tables returns a table. This is important one that you have to remember. Okay, so we will move to the next. Okay, so here I will give you the idea like how you can write the DAX. So calculate table is giving the output. Here you can see um, in a table format. So we can use this output. Okay, so that output we can use inside a iterator function. So how we can write that text, I will let you know. Okay, so um, here you can see sum x is taking the table and expression, which is nothing but your iterator, right? So inside that iterator function you can pass the calculate table. Okay, so calculate table is nothing but it is taking two parameter like a table and filter. Okay, so we can do our calculation in a calculate table like products dim table we can pass, and we can filter for the red product. This will give output in a tabular format. That tabular format output we can pass to the iterator function. So iterator function take that as a table, and in the expression we will pass our total profit, our measure. So we are getting the proper scalar output. Okay, this is how you can write. So just look at the DAX. Profit using ct is equal to sum x. Inside the sum x, for it is taking the first parameter as a table, right? So that's why we use the calculate table. So calculate table returns a table tabular output. So inside the calculate table you can pass the product dim as a table, and your filter expression is nothing but products dim product color is equal to red. Okay, once that done, it will pass the filter table. Okay, that subset table will be passed to the sumx, the iterator function, so that we are getting the tabular output, right? Our condition get fulfilled, and now we are passing the expression is nothing but total profit, where we have to do the summation. Okay, so let's see how we can do it practically. Okay, we will move to the Power BI itself. So here you can see the DAX provided by the user. You can see over here. Okay, calculate he use with a total profit as a measure, and he's filtering for a red product. So this similar kind of results we have to achieve using the calculate table. So we are going to write the measure. Okay, total profit by CT I'm using for calculate table. Okay, so how you can do, first function is your iterator function. Why iterator function? Because we have the tabular output, we have to use the calculate table. So at iterator function taking the first table, right? So how you can use calculate table, you can use. So calculate table, which table you are going to use? Products dim, right? In the products dim we have to pass the filtration, like products dim product color. You can see here products dim's product color is equal to, which one it is? Red, right? Once that done, you just close the bracket. Then after that summation, we will pass the our measure total profit. Okay, once this is done, just hit the enter. This is how you can write the DAX. Okay, let me zoom in so you can able to see the DAX. Okay, we have the sumx. Okay, iterator function. Inside that we use the calculate table, so we will get the tabular output, and that tabular output we are filtering for, where we have passed the expression is like total profit, so you are getting the enter output as a scalar. So you can do the sumx, right? So it will do the summation of entire rows, and you will get the scalar output. Okay, so let's see how we are getting the scalar output. I will just copy control C control V. Okay, so inside this fields we will pass our new measure by CT. So same output you can get, okay, using the iterator. Hope you understand the question. Okay, and now you can explain the answer to the interviewer also. Okay, we will come back to the topic. Okay, so here I just want to do some announcement. If you want more content like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And you can use this mail ID where you can pass the interviewer question which you are not able to answer it, and please pass the data if you have the data also, so I can able to understand it and I will provide the answer for you guys. Thank you so much for your time.